Hello, I'm Hannah and this is the first of my videos which hopefully will help you to help your children with maths. Enjoy. I've had a request to do some videos on fractions, so the first one I'm going to start with is the easiest one of all, and that is multiplying fractions. So all you have to do is you have to multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together, and you get your answer, your new fraction. And you might be thinking, I've got no idea what a numerator is or a denominator, but it's easier than it sounds. So in maths, sometimes they have funny words for things, but the numerators are just the top numbers. So if I give you an example, if we were trying to do 3/4 multiplied by a half, the numerators are just the top numbers. So the numerators in this case are 3 and 1. And the denominators are the bottom numbers. So the denominators in this case are 4 and 2. And so with multiplying fractions, all you have to do, times the top numbers together. So we do 3 times 1. I'm writing out in full, but you probably won't bother. And then you multiply the bottom numbers together. So 4 times 2. Write that down. And then hopefully you know your 1 and 2 times table. So 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. And it's as simple as that. Well done. Lesson over. Bye.